Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and PC Tutorials 100. This is my first YouTube video, and I will be showing you. This is a review on OS X Mountain Lion, also referred as Mac OS X Mountain Lion and OS X Mountain Lion 10.8. I have the latest software, which is 10.8.1 as of the 2nd of September 2012. Here is a brief review. This is a review, but which will show you the brief. This will just show you brief on everything, on all the new things. For detailed, you can see my other videos. So let's just check it out. Sorry guys for my English. I'm really nervous right now. Now let's go to Launchpad. Now in Launchpad, which was introduced in OS X Lion, the new thing only is that you can now search. For example, if I want to search antivirus, antivirus, here I go. Now Google Chrome, there I have it, Chrome, chess, chess, and I got chess. Now this is really cool, it's really useful because I have a lot of applications on my Launchpad. Next up, Mail. Mail has really improved. Guys, just let me tell you that I downloaded Mountain Lion from Snow Leopard. So I don't know if this was introduced in OS X Lion, but from now on you can see the mail and your inbox from the same app. In Snow Leopard, the inbox was up and the message which you wanted to read was down. That really sucked, but this is really cool. I want to congratulate on Apple on that. Contacts is pretty much the same as it was before. It's pretty much the same. It's not so new, but there's been a big change in messages. In Snow Leopard, we had iChat. In OS X Mountain Lion, we have iMessage. You need an AIM account to send a message, but I haven't made one yet. I'll make it later, but this is really cool, and you can also go full screen on that. Now, Calendar. Calendar has improved really well. As in Snow Leopard, we had iCal. Over here, we have the iOS interface, Calendar. This is really cool. And with iCloud, you can even see what's up with your. If you have put an event in iPad, you can also see it on your Mac. Now, that is one of my favorite features. Now, reminders and notes I will show you later, as they are really special. And dictation, that's the end, guys. Now Safari. There's been some big changes in Safari. Now, for example, you can see that now we have an iCloud. Now, I haven't set iCloud yet, but when you have set iCloud, you can also see the open tabs on your devices, as it says here. iCloud automatically shows all the open tabs on your other devices, and you can, when I set up iCloud, when I see that, I just have to click on one and I'll just see where I left off. Now, and this full screen, I know that this was in Lion. Then we also have, this is a very cool feature. You can even send the page. You can either add to reading list or add it bookmark. But now you can also tweet it. Now over here. Now if I love this page. Now, and all I need to do is send. So, but I'm not going to do it now. But if I send this, I can see it on my Twitter. Now, and guys, now let's check out reminders. Now, reminders isn't the same from the iPad. I mean, you can see big changes. I'm not going to mention them right now, but you know what? It's pretty cool. That I can remind. Plus, I can also add, which iCloud or no, sorry guys. But you can just make movies, reminders, tasks completed. Now tasks, this is really cool, and this is really cool. I love this. This is one of my favorites. Notes. Notes is pretty cool. Now I can create a note. Now I can go full screen on it, and I can even save it. And with using iCloud, if I save this note, I can also view it on my iPad, iPhone, or iPod Touch. Now, as we are on notes, let's just check out dictation. Now, dictation was introduced in OS X Mountain Lion, and there was a demo of it in the developer preview. Now, let's just, by default, you have to press the function key. And just let me tell you that it's not really that accurate. It doesn't really understand most of your voices, but sometimes it goes really well, sometimes it's really bad. Now just press that function key twice. It is on the left, it is the last button on your left from the downside. Now I'll click on it. There. Hey, how's it going? Now this is really cool. It's a bit of an accurate. WWE. WWE, good. CM Punk has turned heel. This will be tricky. CM Punk testing Eagle. Now this is what I'm saying. It's not really that accurate. And guys, that is pretty much it. And I hope you like my videos. And if you do, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.